All right, guys, just went to Ulta. I found a few boxes. I'm gonna go through them. You know the drill, and I'll let you know if I find anything good. Okay, went through all the boxes. I've got some cleaning to do, but we definitely have some stuff. Like, oh my God, look at all that foundation and the bag full of returns and damages. I have to clean everything, but I think there's gonna be a lot this time. So let me get started and I'll show you guys when I'm done cleaning. So we're gonna go over this awesome haul from Ulta. This haul was huge, unexpected, and it's a really good haul. So my fellow dumpster diving enthusiasts, you're gonna love this haul. Let's go over everything. All right, so we're gonna go over all the little hair products that I found, and this is a lot of stuff. So let's get started. I found all of these hair brushes. These are the Spornet Swizzle brushes. I think they're like wet brushes, but look how cute they are. I found 2 of those, a black and a blue one. I found this Hot Tools little small curling brush. And then this is a nanothermic ceramic pink collection hairbrush by Olivia Garden. I think I threw it out because it's missing one little prong, but you know, who cares? Also, this tiny little Baby Bliss Pro Nano Titanium Blow Dryer, perfect for traveling. It's so stinking cute, and it does work. I plugged it in, so that's really cool. Some hair accessories. These are 2 cute little hair clips. There's like fake little stones on them. So cute. And then this little bobby pin. It's really cute. Retailed for $8. It's just like stars or something. Love that. This is a Lime Crime Unicorn hair dye. So this is in Bunny. It's a pink shade. So this is like a hair tint. I haven't really read over it. Okay, yeah, it's semi-permanent hair color. This is a DP Hue Color Fresh Oil Therapy. Some kind of serum. This is just a mini, what is this brand? I can't see. Tea Tree Lavender Mint Moisturizing Conditioner. Just a little sample size. 2 Deva Curls conditioner, one also a Define and Control cream. They're both about the same measurement and product left over. This one's just like squeezed. I have to open it to fix it. This one still has a little bit of gunk on it, but this is the Sebastian, is it Sebastian? Yeah, Sebastian Texturizer. I have 3 of these huge Redken hair products, and they're all the same. They're the Clean Maniac Clean Touch Conditioner. This is a Pacifica SPF 30 sunscreen, a Quadad Curl Quencher Enhancer, and then I found all these little Redken hair products, the Color Extend Bonder. So you have like the steps to it. You have 1, 2, and 3. This is also a Redken All Soft shampoo. It's like completely full. Next up are just a whole bunch of lippies. So I have a whole set of these ColourPop liquid lipsticks, the Ultra Glossy Lips. This is a little Sun Bum Cocoa Bomb. I have 5 of these Essence lipsticks. I think they're just the numbers 7 and 8. Look, I don't even think they were touched. I have no idea. They don't look like it. That's 7. And this is the number 8. This is a Dose of Colors lipstick. I think it was tossed out because I don't think it was used, but I cannot get it to go back down. I don't know if it ever went down, but it's just a lipstick. I've got some KKW Beauty products. This is her lip gloss, and this is in rose gold. It's a really pretty shimmer. And then 2 lipsticks from her, 90s style. It's a matte. So that's what those look like. They look kind of similar, but I swatched them. One's more shimmery, a little bit darker, and then one's definitely matte and a little bit more on the orangey nude shade. But yeah, I actually really like these lipsticks. I found one previously, and I really do like the cute little components that they're in. This is a Stila lip gloss in the shade White Space. Just a really pretty glittery one. A Smashbox lipstick in Panorama Pink. And that's what that one looks like. Doesn't even look like it was ever touched. A NYX Sweet Cheeks blush. 2 little mini Kylie lipsticks. We have Candy K and what is that one? Charm. So cute. Also her lip gloss in the shade Snatched. Love this. I found one of these before. And then another Kylie Cosmetic product. This is a lipstick in the color August. It's a matte. And that's what this one looks like. Really good condition. Actually says Kylie on there. So cute. A Ulta Beauty Shiny Sheer Lip Gloss. And 2 of these, what is this? CoverGirl Melting Pout Lip Sticks or lip glosses. Really cute. A little mini Benefit Boing concealer. And then this is just another one of those CoverGirl lip glosses. They were all wrapped. This one is still sealed. Just a lot of gunk had gotten underneath some of the wrappers, so I took the wrappers off these. But these are brand stinking new, never used. Right here is an Anastasia Beverly Hills, what do they call these? Brow duos. This is in soft brown. It's in really good condition. A All Nighter by Urban Decay waterproof setting powder. And that's the condition. Pretty good. A Too Faced Chocolate Gold Soleil. Still got a ton of product in it. It was definitely swatched or used, but still a ton of product. A e.l.f. blush. And a Becca highlighter in rose gold. That's what that one looks like. Right here is just a whole bunch of other type of things. Eyebrows, I don't even know. This is a Maybelline Prime It Up Multi-Benefit Lip Primer. This is still sealed. As you can see, there's like the foundation all under it, but this is still sealed. We have eyebrow pencils from Maybelline, Makeup Revolution, lip liners, Tarte eyeliners, Buxom, Urban Decay, Benefit, some Kylie lip liners, and Benefit eyeliner. What is this? It Cosmetics, another Kylie, and a Kim Kardashian lip liner. Also found 2 little e.l.f. Falsies. I think, are they the same? Yeah, I think they're the same. Wait, I don't know. So freaking excited to find this. I think this is the little holiday set. These are the Anastasia Beverly Hills loose highlighters. So you have So Hollywood, Snowflake, and Sunset Aura. The packaging is so beautiful. You can see that they're loose, shimmery highlighters. Right here are 2 Smashbox. They are Photo Finish Fresh Setting Powders. They're a little bit messy, so I don't really know if I want to open it. Let's see. That's what they look like. This one is a lighter shade. And then I think this one's a little bit deeper. But yeah, they're just setting powders or face foundation powders, whatever you want to use them for. Right here is a First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration Skin Protectant. The only thing that was wrong with it was the lid is missing. It's not even open. You can see they have a damaged tag on it. So I'm going to have to probably put this into another little thing because I don't have one of these in this size, so I can't just replace the lid. But yeah, that's brand stinking new. Right here is just a Exuviant, what is this? 1 pair of micro cone patches for your face. So one-time use, yeah. A full Murad Acne Control Clarifying Cleanser. This is a Formula 10.0.6. What the? I don't know what that brand is. Bareface Beauty Skin Moisturizing Cleansing Oil. It's completely full. It's just missing the little cap. I could not find it, but you could always just twist it open and use it. I also found some perfumes. I love finding perfumes. It's one of my favorite things to find at Ulta. This is the Philosophy Grace perfume, Pure Grace. It's got quite a bit left, and this was a tester. But yeah, it smells delicious. And then this one is the Fresh Cream Warm Cashmere by Philosophy. It's got a lot more in it, and as you can see, the tester sticker, so it was a tester. A L'Oreal Magic Perfecting Base Primer. We have some Clinique items. This is a Clinique face powder. It was a tester, but there's still a ton of product in there. And I also have some Clinique skincare. They're completely full. This is the Clinique Smart Clinical. Another Clinique Smart Clinical. More face products. We have a Murad Retinol Youth Renewal Eye Cream. This is a Derma Blend Anti-Grip Jelly Primer. A Clinique Moisture Surge Eye Filler. Completely full. This is a Clinique for Men Moisturizing Lotion. A Mario Badescu Skincare Facial Mist in Rose Water. And then a Milani Make It Last setting spray. I also found this really cute mirror. Unfortunately, it doesn't work, so I'm guessing that's why it was tossed. But once you clean it up, it's still a pretty good mirror just to use, so I will be using it. It was filled with foundation. This is by the brand Danielle. Yeah, so it was battery operated. I have to clean it up more, but you could still use this. I'm gonna move along really fast now because I'm getting tired and this is a lot of stuff. So these are a ton of brushes I found. We have IT Cosmetics, Real Techniques, some Morphes, 2 mascara, Too Faced Better Than Sex, Waterproof, Benefit, they're real. Or is this roll-on? This is Roller Lash. A Dose of Colors lipstick in Bear With Me. 3 Tester ColourPop eyeshadows. I absolutely love these. A Ulta Beauty Lustrous Foil eyeshadow. It looks to be cracked, but it's really pretty. Gold Leaf. A Too Faced Hangover Face Primer, just a mini size. And a ton of foundations, you guys. Some Becca. We have IT Cosmetics. We have a Smashbox. We have some concealers. Tarte. I think it's Ulta Beauty. That is ColourPop. And then foundations, I have Tarte, Found Benefit, Miracle, Milani, Urban Decays, MAC, and some Juice Beauty, and a few Cliniques, and a NARS. So that is a ton. Also, these Renewed Hope in a Jar skin tints. They're really weird. It's like a really jelly tinted face product. Last but not least, these are the only eyeshadow palettes that I was able to save from those boxes, so we're gonna get started. Unfortunately, this is not in the best condition. I'm so sad because I've been wanting this palette. This is the Morphe times Jeffree Star, and that's what it looks like. There was conditioner all over this. I tried my best to clean it, but a lot of them look like they were ruined. Some are still in good conditions, like these greens down here. Like this green is so pretty. I want to see if maybe I can take some out. This is a Morphe 35V. I think I find this one a lot. It's a really pretty palette. The only thing that's wrong with it is one shade was broken. But other than that, it doesn't even look like it was ever swatched. So somebody probably bought it, opened it when they got home, and one of the shadows were crushed. So they just returned it. Found this really cute Too Faced Hot Butter Rum eyeshadow palette. It was scraped at, but still, look at that. That's totally usable. It's so cute, so little. This is the Kylie Jenner Sipping Pretty, her birthday palette, I believe. Not in the best condition. It was missing half eyeshadows, and it had only these ones left. I'm not sure what I'll do with it, but I just was excited to find it, but it's not in the best condition. But that one with the glitter in it is so pretty. Or is that just like fallen from another one? I don't know, but so pretty. Another Naked Urban Decay Honey. I had not found these for the longest time, and then all of a sudden I'm finding them in every haul now. It's pretty crazy. This is a pretty good one in really good condition, and this one came with the brush. So look at that, so pretty. And the last palette is another mini Morphe times James Charles palette. This one is in better condition than the last one I found. But yeah, gonna be passing that along to somebody that would enjoy it. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. This haul was insane. This was a really, really good haul. I'm so grateful to find it. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have been scoring lately, and I'll see you in the next one.